Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Stanton here, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Earth Day. Earth Day takes place every year, and guess what? It's on April 22nd. Do you know what tomorrow is? Earth Day. On Earth Day, we like to talk a little bit about how we can help our planet. And a lot of people refer to three basic ways to help our planet, and we call those the three R's. Let's read a story about those three R's. How I reduce, reuse, and recycle. Those sound like three R words to me. Do you hear them? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Caring for the earth. I want to care for the planet. I will start at home. Let's reduce. First, I reduce the trash I make. I drink from a glass instead of a plastic water bottle. I reduce the energy and water I use. I turn off lights I'm not using. I turn off drippy faucets. Next, I reuse. I give my brother an old t-shirt that doesn't fit me. I make a bird feeder out of a milk jug. Finally, I recycle. I collect cans, bottles, and paper. I put them in the recycling bin. A truck takes them to a plant where they become something new. That is how I care for the planet at home. How would you do it? The end. Now, boys and girls, I want you to think about those three R's: how I reduce, reuse, and recycle. Hey, friends, if you were unable to get on our Zoom call tonight, that's okay. After we read the story about reduce, reuse, recycle, we made a little list of the three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We made a list of things we could reduce, things we could reuse, and things we could recycle. Your classmates came up with some great ideas. They said that we could reduce using water. Maybe like when you're brushing your teeth, you could turn the water off. They said that we could reduce the amount of electricity we use, maybe turning the lights off when we leave the room. We said we could reuse bottles, egg cartons, books, toilet paper rolls, and they said that we could recycle things like plastic, paper, cans, cardboard, newspaper, and one student even said we could recycle popsicle sticks. I've never tried that. Sounds like a great idea, though. I challenge you to go ahead at home to think of ways that you can reduce, reuse, recycle at your own house. Maybe you can list three things or three ways you can reduce, three ways you can reuse, and three ways you could recycle at your house. Have fun!